Hi everybody, I'm Ian, and I'm here today to share some vital information with you about immune system building. I brought Francis along with me.
Hello out there.
And he and I are going to share with you this new technique, a new twist in immune system building technology, and an almighty product that might make your life and the life of those around you that much better.
Hi everybody, I'm Francis, and the amazing product that Ian is talking about is the Almighty Herbal Intention Jelly. And I'm going to talk to you right now and show you how we harvest the materials and why they're so beneficial to you and your family.
It's okay that it's not okay.
It's trees like these all over Koreatown. These trees hold the sap that is the key ingredient, the nutrient, the building block of the Almighty Herbal Intention Jelly. And I'm going to take a moment right now to show you the tapping process and exactly how I get this sap out of these trees. I've got a 3/4 inch Forstner bit in this drill, and I'm very confident to say that I feel that I have a perfect eye for plumb. I don't need a level to get this perfectly straight. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, here we go.
Perfectly executed, Francis. That was perfectly executed. Now he's gonna slip a spout right into that hole. Francis has completed our spout, and now we've added a receptacle to collect the sap from this Koreatown tree. You can just feel that something positive is happening. Almighty can make you feel better about being here.
We've already collected a considerable amount of sap here from this Koreatown tree, and now we're going to talk about the refining process.
Okay, we've got this on the stove here, and we're going to add some earthen matter from the corner of Western and Elmwood, and some other vital nutrients. As this comes to a boil, we need to stir this very slowly. You'll see the color change. Here it is, everybody. After we're finished refining and we're satisfied with the results, this is one serving of Almighty Herbal Intention Jelly. I'd say the most impressive aspect of the Almighty Herbal Intention Jelly is that it doesn't really cure anything. By ingesting one serving, you're making a choice. You're eating a symbol of your choice to empower and strengthen yourself. It's okay that it's not okay.